Alright, so this is a very new launch product which we launched at the expo itself. This is a fast charger for two-wheelers. It comes with two guns, one is type 6, one is type 7. Currently compatible with both Ola and Ather. Gradually we are going to, of course, improvise our product range and make it suitable for all types of two-wheelers. But right now it can charge your EV in about 50 minutes, a two-wheeler from 0 to 100, and this is the first in the market. Nobody has launched a product till date for like a fast charger for two-wheelers. So this is our hero product, and this is a super fast charger. Coming here, we have a 30 kilowatt DC charger which is hyper fast. This can charge your four-wheelers in about let's say 1 hour to 1.5 hours. This comes again in a variety of kilowatts, from starting from 30 kilowatt to 240 kilowatt, depending upon what's your requirement and how fast you want to charge your EV. But this is the base model, and it is again a single gun, but we have dual gun options also from 60 kilowatt, 90 kilowatt and 120 kilowatt as well. So this is the current product range that Bolt has, and we are very glad to announce our current launch. Hope you guys experience our Blaze DC very soon in the market.
Hey everybody,
Thank you.
welcome to Bolt Earth. Introducing myself, my name is Siddharth. I head marketing for Bolt Earth.
Hi everyone, this is Muskan. I lead the marketing operations at Bolt Earth, and today we are here at the Bharat Mobility Show, and let's just take you through our showcase.
So welcome to Bolt Earth. What exactly is Bolt Earth? We are India's largest charging network with over 36,000 active charging points all across India and active chargers as well. Live with over 1,600 cities and with almost 2 lakh user base on the app. Right, but what is the vision? The vision is to basically make charging accessible and very seamless for everybody, because agar bijli hai to charging hai, right? So understanding this showcase, there's a lot of transformation happening in the industry today towards EV charging, and you would have seen a lot of competition between charge point operators and the OEMs coming out with the top latest releases in this industry today at the Bharat Mobility Expo. But we are very proud to be showcasing here, and I think we have a very wide range of dense portfolio with us, with over multiple products that suit both commercial and private use cases. And I think Muskan will basically take you guys through the entire showcase that we have. But yes, what is the main showcase and the launch? We've basically launched our Blaze DC at the Bharat Mobility Expo. This is one of the most prominent chargers in the Indian market today, and the Bolt Earth team is extensively proud who's worked on this relentlessly to basically build this for India. Right, so this charger can basically give you a 50 kilometer range in just 15 minutes, right? And it comes with the approach of a Type 6 and Type 7 to basically solve for integration and make a standardized protocol for any two-wheelers to basically charge from. But yeah, over to Muskan to basically give you guys an overview.
Sure. So if you see here, we have our level 1 range of products starting from Bolt Pro, Bolt Lite and LEV-AC. All these comes with a domestic and industrial socket, which is suitable for both home, residential, enterprises, workspaces, wherever you want to deploy it. Over here we have our fast charger for four-wheelers, which comes with a gun connector, as you can see here, and it is compatible with all types of four-wheelers. This is again a flagship product that we launched last year, which is by the name of Blaze AC.